What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to ChatGPT Monetization Secrets part number 1. Today, what we're going to learn is that how, my friend, you are going to use basically two tools. And with the help of the two tools, my friend, what you're going to do is that you are going to basically club, my friend, a voice and a famous people, a famous like a magician, a football player, or anything. You're gonna club both, and after clubbing both, you are gonna create a real talking avatar. Now, what you can do with this, you can sell this talking avatar to any freaking platform. Number one. Number two, what you can do is that you can sell this kind of avatar to coaches and consultants when they do webinar pitches and all of this. And that will help them to make a lot of money. Number three is all of them. You can sell this to like marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and all of this, and you can make a lot of money. Number four, what you can do is that you can use this same strategy and create videos for influencers and charge them a lot of money without even the influencer talking. So let's right now go ahead and do this, experiment this, for example. Okay, so first we go to this tool called ChatGPT. Now let's try this out on someone else. Let's do this on, for example, like Messi. Let's do it on Ronaldo, for example. Let's do this on Ronaldo. Okay, let's do this on Ronaldo, my friend, and let's click on images. And then let's click on Ronaldo. Like, let's take a straight Ronaldo straight photo. Yes, we got a Ronaldo straight photo. All right, so we will take this photo, for example. Let's just see other photos if we have of Ronaldo. Oh, we have this one. This one looks good. This one looks cool, to be honest. Let's go with this one. This one looks good. Okay, so we're gonna copy this image, save this image, and we're gonna paste it. And then we're gonna put it on my desktop. Now, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and put this like, I want you to act as a footballer. I want you to act as a football player, Ronaldo, and I want you to give a speech after winning Man of the Match award. Like for Real Madrid. Okay, now let's go ahead and just click on play button. Let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. We're gonna all of this comes like Ronaldo saying all of this words. Now let's click on stop generating. It's more than enough. Now I will just go ahead and copy this. And I will just copy this, all of this, and I will put into this tool called DIT. I'll put into this tool called DIT. And then what I will do is that I will click on create video. Now, once I go ahead here, what I will do is that I will add a photo of like Cristiano Ronaldo. Let me see out here. Boom, I see. Let me see out here. Where is the picture of Ronaldo? 1 second, here we go. Ronaldo is here. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to click on this script. Okay. Famous figures. Okay, so what we are going to do is that we are going to use Messi's image out here. Because, and we are going to check it out with Messi if this works with Messi. So let's then change the script to basically like Messi after winning the World Cup. Okay, I want you to act as a football player named Messi. I want you to give us a speech after winning the World Cup for Argentina fans. Now let's click on the search button out here and let's check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand here and all of this comes. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm click on stop generating because this is more than enough. Now let's go ahead and check it out. Now let's click on this and copy this, and then let's go with this image is already uploaded. I will just go ahead and click on paste. Boom. Now it's pasted. Now voice. Here what you see the voice, you can go ahead and put any guy's voice like Eric. I'll put a voice of Christopher, for example. And styles, I will keep that place blank, the styles and all. And then what I will say is that basically I will click on this button called generate video. Now this video is gonna get generated in the next few minutes, and then after that we can see what is the result of this video. Now let's go ahead and do this. So once we go ahead and find out that what is the result of this video, then I think we can go ahead and give you this. Okay, so it has started generating our video. Let's see how the video gets generated. So let's check it out. Now, let's go ahead and check what it has come up. All right, let's play the button. Let's see what happened.
Ladies and gentlemen,
oh my
I stand before you today, overwhelmed with emotion, as we celebrate the greatest triumph in the history of Argentine football, the World Cup victory. This moment, this victory, is not just for me, but for each and every one of you, the passionate and dedicated fans who have supported us throughout this incredible journey. First and foremost, I want to express my deepest gratitude to my teammates. We have fought together, sweat together, and shed tears together. This victory is the result of our collective effort, unity, and unyielding determination. I am honored to have shared the pitch with such talented and committed individuals.
If this is crazy and insane, then my friend, all I want you to do is put a comment down the chat box. This is insane and wrong because this is out of the world. This is not like a normal A to Z video, my friend. This is human AI. Imagine if you can create these videos. Your boss is never gonna fire you. You are gonna be the chunk of the people. The world is gonna respect you. Click on the download button. Now, once you click on the download button, you can go ahead and upload this on the marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and you can go ahead and just sell it on those platforms and you can make a lot of money, my friend. Number two, what you can do here is that you can go ahead and put this on listing websites and make money. Number three, I'm gonna give you a secret idea. Come closer. Number one, what you can do is that create this kind of a video for a coach. Imagine if you find a coach, he has a problem with closing deals. Write a script on ChatGPT for closing for a webinar, upload the coach's image and create this guide and say to the coach that when you are at the end of the webinar, pitch this or play this video and charge them like $500 or $1,000 for this. This video is insane. This is the first start of the big ChatGPT monetization, which is you are gonna learn. So guys, go ahead and enjoy. Lots of love, lots of intent. Let's do this and create this kind of videos and tag me on Instagram @Anuradas Official. I want to see it from you. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care. Lots of love.